Hi, welcome to this tutorial on creating multiple itineraries and then also having different properties on the same reservation with different invoicing units. Let's look how this appears in a reservation. Now on the availability calendar in the booking process, the agent would be direct and the contact or client in this case is Hans Anderson. Let's book at different properties to create those multiple itineraries. We'll just fast forward the process to get the different itinerary lines loaded at the bottom. This is in Mara River Lodge, and we'll move ahead and do another night at a different property and move on to the third one, 2 nights, and then the last itinerary line would be at Robben Island. Okay, right, so we've created multiple itineraries on one single reservation over different properties that possibly have different invoicing units set up for themselves. Let's look at that in a moment. We've now fast forwarded through the reservation, and let's have a look how those multiple itineraries and different invoicing units look like once the reservation is created. If we go to Financial tabs and click on Folio Invoices, we can now see the different invoicing units, in the first case African Savannas and the second case the islands. So in this case now, on one single reservation as indicated here, RS3, we have booked at 2 different invoicing units and 2 properties under each one. And quickly see those multiple itineraries over here at Mara, Beach Lodge, and then Island Lake and Robben Island. We hope you found the short tutorial on multi-property invoicing units and multiple itineraries on one single reservation useful.